Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Fred from GetMeCoding.com, and thank you for coming out to these free video tutorials to get you started coding. So to begin, you're going to go out to a website called Scratch. Scratch is located at scratch.mit.edu, so it's right here in the video. Now, you'll see that you get 4 free video tutorials, with the first one getting you familiar with the Scratch environment and how to work with it. Then you're going to follow on with 3 more video tutorials that are going to introduce you to what a sprite is, what the coding blocks are, and ultimately when you put these two together, you're going to be able to move your sprite all around the screen. I've been teaching a long time, and I know that video tutorials can help a lot, but a lot of times you learn better when you could explore it on your own, and that's what I'm going to be doing for you. Inside each of those video tutorials, I also provide you with a coding challenge. Now the coding challenge is going to have you explore different parts that were related to that video. What I would really enjoy is hearing from you. How was the challenge? How did you do? Was it hard? Was it easy? Or better yet, did you take it into a whole other direction? That's what I really like to hear from you. Now, one of the things that I know about this tool is it has a lot more. So if you're really interested in going further with it, at the end of the video tutorials, the 4 video tutorials, you're going to see that you can get access to even more video tutorials. So look for that link and you'll be able to explore things such as sounds and background changes and sensing and scoring and all that good stuff. All right, I don't want to hold you up. Go out there, get coding.